more users were starting to access web material on handheld devices than on desktops. Designers could craft several versions of one design and make each have fixed dimensions, adaptive design. Alternatively, they could work on a single, flexible design that would stretch or shrink to fit the screen, responsive design. Rather than work with absolute units, for example, pixels, on separate versions, designers were free to focus on just one design and let it flow like a liquid to fill all containers. Media queries: these are filters you use to detect the browsing device's dimensions and make your design appear appropriately. With these, you probe to determine what size of screen a user is viewing your design on. You also include these through CSS, and the most frequently used ones are min width, max width, min height and max height. So, based on a screen's width, height, orientation, etc., you can accurately specify how your design will be rendered for different users to see. Responsive design has become one of Google's mandatory features. This means you choose where pixels should appear and define a layout size so the elements will scale up or down in a fixed way. Responsive design is a graphic user interface (GUI) design approach used to create content that adjusts smoothly to various screen sizes. Designers size elements in relative units, %, and apply media queries, so their designs can automatically adapt to the browser space to ensure content consistency across devices. Responsive web design is not only about adjustable screen resolutions and automatically resizable images, but rather about a whole new way of thinking about design adjust according to the user's screen resolution, viewport, using media queries. Best practice and considerations for responsive design. With responsive design, you design for flexibility in every aspect: images, text and layouts.